the mechanics.
Fixing a broken DPF on my Freightliner.
I thought you are fixing a broken heart.
So, do you know how much is this? No. Tell me. Guess who? How much?
It costs 3,400.
See? 3,400. This is what I will replace over there. See? How much is this in the Philippines?
Doesn't matter. You're not in the Philippines.
300,000. See? So, fixing a broken heart.
Yeah, that's what I thought. You're fixing a broken heart. Good, you're fixing a DPF. What does it mean, DPF?
Diesel particulate filter. Wow. That's what does. That what's.
I'm just wondering why there is name. Why your
When I
name was
open
there?
that, my name appear on that DP filter.
Oh, so the Freightliner put your name when you bought the...
No, that is an ass. See?
Huh?
This is an ass. An ass, see? It's carbon. It's monoxide. Okay. I'll start working again.
So, this is life in Canada. We just arrived from Oregon, like 12 o'clock,
Now,
noon time.
fixing a broken
And then
heart.
instead of relaxing, you're here fixing a broken heart.
Then tomorrow,
And tomorrow, run again to Willows,
in the
California.
after this, by tomorrow, running again to what?
Willows, California.
No, Pico.
Pico, California?
See? Trying to see what's happening. Now I'm fixing.
Why you don't want to get a mechanic?
No,
How much will it cost you if mechanic will fix your truck?
600.
Labor is 600?
600 to 1,000. It will cost me 600 to 1,000 to replace this. So now I do it myself. Easy. Easy as eating peanuts.
So just make sure what you get is what you put it back. No extra. Otherwise, sell it per kilo.
When I open, try to see. When I open, see what is there.
So that means that is only for your truck. You cannot put that in another truck because there is a name.
Now, what I'm going to do is put this back.
So did you clean? This one, you should clean before you put the new one. That one.
Yeah, relax, take it easy. So,
But it's cold. Okay, say bye for now. Okay, you say bye first.
stop na.